Schwab angin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Pelat Keseng Voice of the People Party VPP ya ke election pledge lane ka thup jingkular mentak singi ka arpau terik urampang hajar pulai hamoti nagar. Kimat rikam ki bukan thup ya ka jingyo kam yo jam, ka kam jungo kai perthei karukomti ikimar pok hendo banyak rai gejungman ke thlap ki bar jela ban pedrong ya tin khasi bat garu ha ka kernet ke bapra ban pendam ya ka Meghalaya Gaming Act 2022 bat kibai ya kate ka kot ling kudop la plat pat ba du president rang ba ka seng uba Aden Miller basayu mot ha ka jin dan lang ki thokot ke ne ka seng
Kong kamat jingkular ka bagi la bo agni ka manifesto bujui kadai hawini baka polin puti kabar kadai ka health kabalai kadai ka agriculture animal husbandry fisheries kabasal kadai baka land ka kendo syam kaba sun kadai ka rural urban migration kaba Rio kadai ka decongestion of Shillong and building of satellite towns kaba Hinyo kadai ka tourism kaba Prague kadai ka power kaba Kandai kadai ka transport and communication kaba Shipho kadai ka sport and youth affairs kaba Khatwe kadai ka employment kaba Khatar kadai ka reformation of Meghalaya Public Service Commission and other recruitment committees board kaba Khatlai kadai ka reservation policy kaba Khatsau kadai ka differently abled persons lanta kaba Khatsan kadai ka water conservation and rainwater harvesting and water supply kaba Khamri kadai ka environment kaba Khanyo kadai ka mining kaba Khatpra ka waste management Khandai kadai ka public transport Arpo strengthening the public finance Arfoi ka influx kaba Arpwar ka article 371 ka Arpulai ka HUD Arpsau ka border issue ka Arpo Sau Arpsam law and order ka Arpnriu repealing the Meghalaya Gaming Act 2022 Arpnyo ka the strengthening of the Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Act 2012 Arpupra corporate social responsibility Arpandai legal drugs like home more in being a try ni ken mau ba hakapor bangara ya gani ka mat po assembly mundan welu u ba persya there was no one who opposed my resolution hagri bagani tenre baro occupation menta hagani ka debate haga discussion hagri bag article 371 keep in power but they still need some more time to understand about the issue so they feel that the deliberation on this issue needs to be continued tamakata ka diga bagi penpa te komba kalong menta ni pini khaprawngot ko mapiong bat nim di ban kret baka party bajak pang prangut hakani ka tem ka pamenta kadon haka position ka bakala ban influence the government on any issue they hopefully there is every likelihood ba ka PPP kan yo ya ka benta ka ba kongsan haka de ka sansnet ka pamenta the link ba kata i community ban gilong positive gilong optimistic bangila ban prinsutho ya kini pat ki part di political party basan sine menshwa playola ban sotho ya gade ka jingdon kam jabri ka article te manta ka ni sinem bagin benjer ban pass ka resolution bagin pass the government of India nam ta extension jo ka article 370 are in the government or in the opposition the issue remains the same we will seriously pursue these issues kabangila kolar sopai ba lakalong hiying dorbar kawan jadi sebar juga hiying dorbar kapan take a question kabang in don opposition and in don ruling kan marais larang itu nang nuhunuru it doesn't matter for us te andre kai kabangi ni ko aban pa we are very serious with these issues it is not going to be empty promises to the people. Ma, hindi ki promise ki jingkular ki ba nilong serious, ke bangingin yakon pinge. But it is too early banginong kadang kloy than kapor banginong ko opposition lini ha katuling. Mentang ina penkre ya kanika election bar ngai komba pisngu thu. Ma, naga sur kal air kababe. Anam dan menu ki banong ba ka PPP Kandon Sherwood, kani Shapo. It is just a matter of time. Kani Singapore, ka Arthrik, kani Pai Baki Nishai, Kadnu, ka BPP can job, but Hangno, ka BPP can don the Latin connection. I think it is for the people to see about the sincerity and seriousness on the part of the present MDA government, all the partners in this MDA government, whether they are serious or not. And there are some constituents in this MDA government who are not even willing to include ILP in their manifesto. So that itself speaks volume of the fact that they are not serious and they are not willing at all to implement. They just want to pacify the agitated youths, as I've said, by adopting that resolution. In fact, that resolution is not necessary if we really want to implement. They should have instead choose to fight against the central government to withdraw the presidential order notification whereby they remove the word Khasi Jaintia from the preamble of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873. In the early stage of our statehood, most of the teachers were actively participated in politics, and which is why we find that the kind of standard in the debate, decorum in the assembly is very high. So, whereas the present government is trying to snatch away that right from the teaching community, to prevent them from actively participating in politics. So, which is why we feel that this is not the right trend. Yeah, and if we go by the UGC norms also, there is a provision in the norms that teachers should actively participate in politics. If teachers are nation builders, how can we bring a law to stop them from participating in active politics? We feel it is against the spirit of democracy in our country.